Hey, I'm Erica with WTI, and this wax warmer from Happy Wax is a must-have for all homes.
The coolest thing about this wax warmer that sets it apart from other plugins is the silicone wax dish. I like to change out my fragrances, and this makes it so easy. Just let it cool and it pops right out, and you can save it and you can use your wax again. It also is on a timer, so you never have to worry about turning it off. You can set the timer for 3, 6, or 9 hours, and then it will auto shut off. And as you can see here, when the warmer is on, it has beautiful ambient lighting. And another nice feature is the plug rotates. So regardless if you have horizontal or vertical plugs, you'll be able to use this wax warmer.
Happy Wax really thought of everything with this wax warmer, and it would be a great addition to your home, your business, or even your office. It's so compact, it goes anywhere, and I can't wait to purchase more. And that's my point of view.